Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fantastic DIY project to show you. I will be making a fall wreath for my front door. Now fall is already upon us, and if you haven't yet decorated like myself, this is a simple project that you can do and it costs less than $10. All the items that I'll be using were actually purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I am just gonna bring some fall season charm to my front door and I'm taking you along. It's the first time I'm doing it, so let's see what we're gonna create together. First of all, I'm gonna show you all the items that you need if you're interested in making your own fall wreath. So let's go. So here we go. First of all, you will definitely need a wreath ring. I chose the biggest one in the store, but you can also use the medium side. Whatever your preference is, that's all up to you. And I got these two little scarecrow dolls. I will find some way to incorporate these on my wreath. I also got some fall leaves. I mean, what's a fall DIY project without fall leaves? You've got to get those fall leaves and those colors to incorporate into your fall project. And I found these garlands. They are orange and black, so it kind of works for Halloween as well. And they have little pumpkins on there as well. So I'm just gonna play around with it and see what I can create. I actually got two because, like I showed you before, I have the large wreath ring, so we need this to be fluffy. We need to get enough garland to go around and maybe wrap around twice. And I did not forget to get my wreath hanger to put on my door. Yeah, so all of this is from the Dollar Tree. And you will also need a glue gun. This is the Gorilla Glue Gun. We'll need that to put the little items onto the wreath to enhance it, to enhance the garland and make it more personalized. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me just go ahead and remove the packaging tags from the wreath ring and also from the two sets of garlands. Now I'm gonna start off by wrapping the first garland around the wreath ring. So for the end, I just tuck that into the little slots on the wreath ring. If you want to make it more secure, you could use your hot glue to just secure it in place. But for me, I know I'm gonna wrap around it and keep it securely in place. So all you're going to do here is just keep wrapping the garland by putting over and under until it's finished all the way around the wreath ring. Once you're finished with the first garland, you just tuck the ends underneath the little slots on the wreath ring as well, and then you're going to start the second garland by wrapping it around the finished part on the first one. At this point, the wreath ring is fully covered with the garland, so I'm just going to use the excess and wrap it over like a double wrap, if you know what I mean. And there's the finished garland on the wreath ring. It looks pretty just like this, but we're going to make it pop more. For the fall leaves, I don't need the stems, so I'm just going to take the leaves off the stems. I'm also gonna prep my little scarecrows from now to put on the garland or on the wreath, and I'm taking them off the packaging paper. Then if you notice, they are on sticks. I don't need the sticks, so I'm just gonna break them off. Be careful when you're doing that and do not poke yourself. let me just get the wreath back into the picture, because now I'm gonna start putting the leaves on. And I have no special arrangement for the leaves. I'm just gonna randomly glue them onto the wreath. So I just put a dab of hot glue onto the back of the leaves and just stick them in place. Now the only things left to put on this wreath are the scarecrows. So I'm just looking for the perfect spots to put these cute little scarecrows. So I actually found a perfect place when I turned my wreath around, and that's where I'm gonna put them. Now, I do not want my scarecrows falling off when I put them on, so I'm putting a generous amount of glue onto the back, and then I'm just gonna hold it in place for a few seconds just to make sure they are secure before letting go. Now guys, check out my finished wreath. This took less than 10 minutes to make and cost less than 10 bucks. It is so pretty. I am in love with it. What do you think? Yeah, so if you like the finished product, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to share it with your DIY friends who love to DIY as well. And if you do recreate this, just tag me, let me see what you come up with. And remember, you can always personalize it to your liking. You could get more scarecrow dolls on it, maybe some miniature pumpkins, and just do what makes you feel happy, because I like my wreath. It makes me happy. It looks pretty good, and I'm just gonna hang this on my door, and I'm gonna show you this on my door as well. But let me know what you think, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching.